so 16,000 above the consensus. A little weaker on the jobs front.
Yeah.
Although continuing claims did come in a bit lighter at 1.838 million. So little divergence in the jobs. But I think ultimately, if we stay in this range, I think the next move is going to be post the jobs number next week, the non-farm payrolls that will be coming in. I believe it's on Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. I want to say
looks
it
like
is
non-farm employment change on Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday morning. Expectations are unknown at this point because it will be for November data though. So the government did not release October data. They said it was unlikely they would release October PPI and the non-farm payrolls data, so we won't get an October read, and we will get the November data. So I think inside this range, I think the next move outside this balance area will be determined on what those payroll numbers look like, probably.
Yeah, not a bad take. Well, it's going to be a fun Tuesday next week.
Yes, it is. And then you also you'll get a look at retail sales as well for November. So maybe some how the consumer's shaping up with Black Friday and things like that.
Mm-hmm.
You'll get a look into that. And then later in the week, you'll get Philly Fed and U.S. leading indicators in the next week. And then obviously the bigger one will be the personal income outlays, which is the Fed's favorite.
Yes, we will have spreads today. We're going to be hammering spreads today. Good morning, everyone.
Data heavy next week before the Christmas week.
So usually an hour after the market opens, but we are down 0.5% here. If we were down 1% like we were overnight, I would have opened one right at open.
A couple minutes till market open. I'm a little more bearish this morning. Good morning.
Yo. Good morning.
We still have New York session highs from yesterday to take out if we want to, but we took out London lower, left down to open above the night open, which is at 508.50. So
yeah, ES below 68.77, so about 7 to 8 points higher. If we don't clear that level, I think it favors probably a fade after the big move overnight.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of some levels just to keep, if we do fade, 68.50, 175, and then the other one 68.43, and then obviously we get down to the 68.28 level. It's probably the lower end of the range, and we'll see what we do there. But typically when
Spaces crew.
good morning.
Casey, typically when you do get an overnight sell-off that's pretty aggressive like that, and you rebound off those lows, we should probably revisit some of that range lower. Is it on counter?
Went over the other. Buenos dias.
JC.
What time we got? 2 minutes. We are.
Open it up.
We're back in the same range again.
Yes, we are.
Let's go.
Yeah, we are.
Spy chart here at the top of spaces. What a terrible week for
Good morning, guys. What's up?
options.
What's up? Good morning. What's up, babes?
Yo.
The other thing is yields are softer.
Different. You guys sound good. Like you're in Puerto Rico. Bro, it's 10:30 here, dude. This is the elite time zone.
I like the short going into the open. That chart is at the top. You'll see we're right there at that zone. Previous month high, and then the high from Tuesday session is right there. But just be careful going into the open.
Honestly, to be honest, it probably does. I mean, it had a $4 run up in the past month and a half. Are you gonna look to take a put credit spread if NQ? Yes, 100%. I will be taking a put credit today. Yeah, I'm still a little sick, but I'm definitely much better than what I was. So, okay, meta, we are down on that little swing we have. I'm gonna give this an hour, hour and a half, and see how the market, see how it reacts. I mean, it's still another gap down. So we had 3 gap downs. This is a gap down. That's a gap down. This is a gap down. You have a bullish abandoned baby here, but let's see if we can get above. Let's see if we get some movement there. I don't know.
600, here we go.
Ooh, Lily, right off the bat. They just had news overnight. We talked about this candle. If we get a move over 1015, I'm going to look long for 1030s.
Yeah, like I said, that first zone, 68.54. I'm looking for right here. For the first spot, I would cover some.
Oracle's getting its ass beat off the earnings. IWM green. IWM's green and strong.
I'm short.
Yeah, you do have yields.
60-point gain covered down to the runners. VWAP party right here.
Let's see. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Yields are notably softer across the curve, which probably should help IWM. 2-year back to 350, down 12 basis points off of yesterday's highs, and the 10-year back down to 410, so about another 12, 13 basis points off yesterday's highs as well.
Stop Oracle. Oracle's down 15.
Yeah, it's getting abused right now.
Oh my god. Abused.
Yeah, they did not like the CapEx numbers.
Broadcom down 3%. Nvidia down 2%.
It's above 595, but that was stuff also.
At this point, I expect SPX to just come down another 7 points, test the big key magnet, 6850. Been the same magnet for a week and a half. Longer than this.
Gold pushing into yesterday's high, 268.8. Over that, target would be pre-market high, 277.7.
It was down 2.5. That's Corby is getting smoked down 8%.
Yeah, these semi names are obviously the weakest on those Oracle earnings. The
China, our China names ripping. I saw they had a huge injection or something last night.
Baidu's up a little. Baba's not. Baba's actually down.
Taking Chinese.
So Chinese tech actually weaker. K-Web on the to the downside. IWM is the strongest, and crude back down to crude almost at $57. Had a little rally overnight and then the end of the day, and then just gave all that movement to new lows. Crude probably picks up at a little lower. Yes, it's like yesterday I was saying. I don't. These oil names to me, I feel like I gotta fade them. Not to be so weak.
Interesting here on VWAP for NQ, I think ES as well. If we can get a close under VWAP, I think we see London or high, 543.75, and then previous day low, 548.75. Nvidia also looking very weak here, flushing under 179. Let's check Apple too, but I feel like if 80s fail, 20s, 30s.
Let's go. Wash.
Don't, yeah.
Sector's
Lucky
definitely
20,
the only weak ones you got industrials, energy, and obviously tech is the downside. Everything else is actually green.
I'm turning my CCL call screen here. new highs over previous day highs.
Adobe post earnings, now 2% up, at a little looking good off the open.
Some DK.
Good morning, Em.
How you doing?
Good. We don't normally get to in the morning.
No, it's the schedules have lined up. I don't get to hang out with you as much. But I'm here.
But he's here now.
I'm about to walk over to Evan now.
Give him a kiss right on the cheek.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
IWM flying, Dow flying.
Anybody took the MSTR puts with me the other day?
Oh,
Those are up 90%.
love that.
Met a new high day.
Yesterday was the largest inflows into Bitcoin ETFs, 273 million of the month. Not ever, but
IWM is strong, and regional banks leading the way higher. We are, see if the regionals can keep going, break out over this downtrend line, that would be a good spot for IWM to keep going to like 67.30 on the carry.
CCL $27 target hit. Come out majority here. Gonna move a stop up with the 28 target next on the swing.
going back to SPX last week bids, the 618 watches 68.59 SPX for SPUs. We are 2, 3 points, 4 points now above that.
There's previous day high break on gold. I can't go long yet unless I get a red candle or EMA pullback on lower time frame.
Look at iDubbbz, man. No care in the world.
I know. Whip them.
Yeah.
No
Well,
care.
these rate cuts and lower yields is going to influence those small caps.
Yep.
That's going to be your leader. The play, like I think I talked about this last week a bit. Like KC and I were talking about on Sunday is the trade might be going forward is short tech and long small caps. Like a bear trade.
Yeah.
Meta is coming into pre-market.
Yeah. I added to my meta calls.
Yeah, Meta right at that 21 period EMA on the daily, which right here I think like 640, 645.80. Just we broke below it. Now we're kind of trying to reclaim it.
CCL for 50%.
You slowed down.
Oh
I've seen
my
some daily
god, this
consolidation.
Carnival Cruise Line.
So,
Print.
we're being messed up in profits on the trade.
CCL ripping.
Oh, dude, I've been in this trade for how many days now?
Let's go.
Jesus.
Cutting it there, nice little scope.
Rivian down before their AI autonomy day at 12 p.m. Eastern.
We're gonna add session POC on ES and NQ. Looks like we're rejecting it so far.
Knots, do you think the reports on the people losing too much body weight on GLP-1 is going to affect HIMS?
Honestly, I have no idea what that came out today.
I don't know about you, but when I look at him, that looks like a bear flag ready to break.
M&Q short, 3 minute risk.
MSTR is kind of looking like a bear flag is broken. I actually think Hims would broke trend already. Yeah, they look better than yesterday's candle, so be careful on that one if you are long. Let's see some below the moving averages. I think it's if anything, probably shorter. The problem with Hims is they go out of business. People realize they just think about that. Yeah.
Well, that's why they're not going to approve peptides because
Jesus.
they do
No,
too.
of course, because they need to make money.
Yeah, you mean we can't have people cure themselves.
No, we can't FDA approve.
Never.
60%.
Of course not. Out of your mind? Are you out of your mind? We have to keep them coming.
70%.
Okay, so it's not GLP-1s, it's Lilly's next gen obesity drug.
Oh yes, I saw that.
Brad, a true tech.
By the way, look at Lily just dropping as usual.
Have you tried the Rita?
The who?
Personally, I haven't because I don't really need to yet until I bolt. So I personally haven't tried Retta, but I have plenty of friends that have.
Holy shit.
Retta's phenomenal.
Holy shit.
What do you win, Casey?
Was I not muted? Fuck, sorry.
What did you win?
I just trimmed CCL 70%.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a nice candle.
KO almost stuffed me out of my puts. I got fat rejection at the top of the range. Just came all the way back down to 70 as well. So I'm still in these things.
CCLs, that's a great trim spot because you got the 50-day right there, and then you got that start to supply in the upper point. So if you're long, if you got any longs on those, probably at least take some profit there. Be good level.
Alright, getting some movement.
I trimmed the A2N $12 call for May 2026 here, almost 50%.
Apple pretty weak as well off the open.
Meta new high day. The Apple's very weak. Amazon trying to go.
Apple and Google both
Yeah.
look weak. I mean, Google's back into yesterday's range, kind of probably the lower third of that range. But those are the two notable weaker ones. Microsoft, not too much as well. NVIDIA 178, AMD 214. I think now with NVIDIA below, you hung around the 21 for a couple days here. Now you've broken back below.
Long gold, 10 minute risk.
Everything's trying to move besides tech. Still up below.
Okay, those meta calls were up here. Very nice, actually. It's ripping.
Open yet. There's only about a 50% chance we hit it today.
Meta, Microsoft, and Amazon, the only ones that actually look strong. Meta and Microsoft being the strongest. If market gets a push here, those will explode. Explode.
Yeah, there was over like 7 or 8 banks had price cuts on Oracle.
Yeah, it was a good bet.
It was a 5.
Goldman, JP Morgan, Cantor, Barclays, Evercore, TD Cowen.
Oh, Meta's ripping. 50% here on those calls.
Let's go.
Just the 9 period is right at 650.72.
Yes, baby. Rip it. Rip it right into it.
Runners only on CCL here, 82%.
Oh, there you go. There we go.
20-point gain, MNQ covered half. GG.
$500 before I leave the Airbnb. Appreciate it.
That
Midnight open was 508.50.
sounds good.
There's London orb low right here.
Apple's taking out the 21 on the daily as well. Now, just dipped below 275 on Apple. Yeah, the other one is Robinhood gap below the 50-day as well. He spent 5 days sessions right around the 50-day and back below it. 21 is trying to catch up on the 21 here at 129.
Meta, 70%. Up $100 a contract.
I say 21.
21. What is that?
80s fail, we see 20s, 30s. That lines up with previous day low.
As long as we say previous day low at 528.
Ooh, almost 100%.
Oh, there's a 30, yes.
I love that I've traded with you guys long enough that I can just like one screen trade this thing.
Bro's basically Batman.
Look at Rocket Lab on the daily. Rocket Lab on the daily up 8 days in a row or $17 since in that time. Crazy.
Any hope of SPY moving upward today? I mean,
Let's go. Bill Breaker 500. Dumpy. On the brink of losing one at 78. We got a 10-minute close under London orb high 543. We typically see a liquidity sweep down to the London orb low. That's 477. 50 points right here. Scalar trail. Gold up down a little bit here. Point. If not, I'll cut. Goody.
Your price is way too high.
Too short. All right, I cut gold.
Microsoft's still holding. Meta's still holding.
Yeah, those are the two stronger ones.
And, yeah.
Apple and Google are getting whacked pretty good now. Google below 315. Took out yesterday's low. I think it was. Took out 315, which was Apple. Yeah, those two
should have helped.
90 points here. Give me that hundo.
Oh, you're gonna get midnight? Oh, you already got it. Man. You can get London.
Palantir week. Staples obviously caught a bid, and utilities catching a bid on the lower rates in defensive positioning.
IWM is also getting beat down here.
Yeah, previous day high rejection on the Russell right there.
Yeah, Amazon right at the range of yesterday as well, lows.
right here.
100-point gain, MNQ, cover down to the runners.
Let's go.
Let's go. London low
That's
taps.
right.
China low.
Next spot is Asia low for me. After that, I have no other further targets for short.
The
I
fifth
would be all out
retracement from the overnight low to this morning's high around 6 a.m. You got the 61.8 retracement is 68.40 in the order on the about another 8-9 points lower.
Stop.
We're now below the weekly 50%. I'm excited until something claims the 382. We're watching for something 6836 SPS.
Fine. So rejecting the red zone, and now we are at the bottom of the gray zone.
Let's go, Brett. Just hit 120 points in MNQ.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's ride.
Well, if we stretch to Asia low, cool. I think that was your need of the move trade for the morning.
Again, even with markets falling, Microsoft Meta still holding right now.
Watching for a potential bounce right here on Qs.
Come on, I guess.
I said watch it, don't full port it.
All the cons.
VIX is to the upside.
Wow, Oracle did not test that recent November low. Just
There's a 650.5. Damn, stop it. It's okay.
Man, shorts never fail me.
Knock on wood. Breaking it down. Yeah, another got rejection right off that daily 9.
Holy shit, what a dump. All right, we got pre-market low, 382. We're up 130 points right here.
KO new lows, what a reversal. I should have fucking full ported that one right there.
Asia low.
I mean, for whoever was whoever jumped down right when we before the market opened, this is exactly what we said. You know, look for a small move up and then watch it if it fades.
Yep.
When you're opening above the night open, sweeping out Asia highs, London session highs, not much reason to be bullish unless we think we're going to his New York highs from yesterday. But going into open, structure already shift downside. Even if we go take out that Asia low, though, I don't see opportunity for us to get back to the London highs today.
Even the greatest stock in the world, according to EMP, is down today.
Gold rejected a little bit, about 42.70 area. And Q still chugging down. Huge pull.
I started a put spread
What are you thinking?
Sold the 608 puts, bought the 603 puts because we're down over 1.25%. I always
Sold the 608s, you're buying the what?
603s, so it's $5 wide. You get like 13 cents.
SPX, if you went short on the 618 watts, we just tapped the 382 on the weekly fib range. So that'd be a nice point-to-point exit.
About 20s, 30s again. Maybe we see bill breaker 400. We'll get under 400. You know, I'd be careful for a liquidity sweep under pre-market low, Asia low 382. So have some orders down here.
All right. I gotta fill this in up.
Yeah. I mean, we're $10.60 out of the money there. That's another over a percent and a half. That would be a 3% down day.
Took a small trim on the KO 70 puts here. Knifing under previous day low. Monday low right now. Just hit it to the penny. If that breaks, that can start to move downside.
Okay, we're about to see overnight lows, which is 380 basically 382.
Yeah, it's I have 382. That's crazy. I do have a key level at 25,391. So, but I am nicely green and I'm done trading.
What?
Bill breaker coming up.
She's done.
Yeah,
She's over.
I've legit seen my win rate, like when I lock myself out after the first, 2 or 3 trades that I take, is just amazing. If I continue to dabble in it, I'll end up getting back. And then it's just not for me.
I think like that's like one of those recurring lessons throughout our trading journey, you know, is that greed. Weighing what I need versus what I want. And what I want typically gets me in trouble.
Yeah.
Yep.
This is the truth.
Well, and a lot of times, like I'll meet my profit target that I am. Then, like it's like, oh, maybe I could just get a little bit more. You just walk around and find out. So I'm not gonna do it.
Oh yeah, like I'll be like, oh, I can make 500, 1,000 more, and then lose 3,000. I love it. So
And you're like, why did I do that?
I agree. But if people have like multiple accounts to rotate.
Sorry, guys, was going crazy. Yeah, that was my dog in the background. Zeta is getting pop. Yep, market's obviously dropping here. If you have any questions on that, Jay, just let me know. I did start a put spread. I still have a swing on Meta for 1226. And again, Meta is the strongest name today, with the market dropping another 200 points since the open. We have 4 gap downs, holding the 21, trying to get above the 9. If we could do that, get above 651, we have 658 to 663 in the next few days. So again, look at Meta here. Market is dropping, and look at Meta.
I'm in a trade show. The lion does not concern himself with checkout.
I want to get long if we get to 360.
Yeah, Asia low at 382 here.
Yep.
Looks like we'll tap into that. After that, I have zero to even think short anymore. But I also don't think we're going to rebound all the way back to the highs from pre-market. So it's hard to have a clear area where you think the market can, really drop to.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Looking at the dailies, breaking the 24, have an untested value around 300s from the November 28th, and untested value area 1st of December 273 and a half. But that's to the extreme if we can break this level here.
Meta about to go new high day.
Did you? Back to new high day.
Yeah.
It really filled that smaller downside gap, and now it's off to the races.
4 gap downs in a row. It wants to move. If the market gets a bounce, Meta is easily 658 today. 654 to 658. 654 for sure. If the market gets a bounce. And it will at some point. Also, look at Microsoft. Again, Microsoft and Meta, strongest names. And surprisingly, hear me out on this one. Netflix is actually green today. That is something that hasn't been said in a few days.
Around 2,000% or 200%. Sorry, I got excited.
Turning KO here, might be through that level.
MSTR at. Jesus, I can't even see it. I can just see my P&L. MSTR. Oh, I have 185 but oh my God.
And I was talking extreme shit about your favorite ticker, but it actually is now looking good.
She's recovering.
Oh, yes. She's almost at highs, too.
Are you talking about the NASDAQ stock Walmart?
Yes.
Holy shit, KO.
She's trying to bring Walmart up. I mean, she's trying to bring the market up.
I'm taking another trim here on the KO 70s.
Get out, Casey.
Looks like one
Oh
person in the audience was MNQ bounced off my level of 390.
Oh, I couldn't get in quick enough. Yeah.
And I made 500 on the bounce. There's $1,000 I'll leave in the.
Look at this guy.
Yeah, beat 2 on the weekly nicely.
Well, I had the previous all-time high on NQ was 394 as well. You hit this level there. You were overextended.
And we bounced right off S2 as well.
And SPX 35 is a big level on SPX 835. We bounced off of that area many times. It was resistance, it's still support basically. And then if you just look over extension, I mean the EMAs are like still 100 points higher. But it's a bounce play, you get out quick. And I'm gonna go find Evan. Are you here? Was Evan here? All right, we'll find Evan. So it's the best job in the world. Wake up in another place, make $1,000 in 20 minutes. There's some barrels out here, Jordan.
Dude, I need to go get barrels out there, bro. They can call him. I need to take my ass up to
barrels.
I added to my QQQ spread. Watch Meta and Microsoft. Meta new high day, continuing higher. I love that 2-minute reversal on NQ. Hell, 3-minute, 5-minute. 3 minutes inverted hammer followed by a long wick hammer or bigger bodied hammer. I really like that. We got Meta pushing higher.
Oh, one last thing. On this puts her up 50%. Shout out Wapender.
He's not gonna like that. He's not gonna like that.
He talked shit to me too many times. I'll do it. I'll short it.
The ads on those split spreads, by the way, Nazis. They got 18 cents.
Damn, you got much better than me. That's for sure. Nice.
I really wish I started with spreads when I started options initially. Would have saved myself a whole lot of money and would have been making a lot of money, honestly.
It's a good day, Tater. It's a good day. Yeah, I doubled my size on those spreads on this bounce here. Oh, this is 5. Nope. Yeah, 5, 16, 0.12.
Almost 100 points off of my key level there at 390.
Because she's the go. The go.
It is, there's 100 points. Did I take it? No.
Oh, you stink.
No, because I said I'm not trading, so I'm good. I have to stick to my rules.
Nope. We don't stick to rules around here. We do not do that around here. Oh my god, look at Rocket Lab and ASTS. Ripping. Ripping.
Midnight open. Never tapped Asia. They may have on this, but which means switch right there. Oh, sweep them on them like that. If we claim London,
Look at that fucking rip.
That's probably my best tweet of the entire week.
Yeah.
I sent it yesterday. I said still long CCL, still short KO, and they inversed.
Oh my.
Just straight CCL ripper and KO dive. Just both of them played out perfectly for those daily squeezes. Finally. It took 1,000 years. It's still dying.
Look at that. Look at that.
Somebody look at this. Somebody look at this. You're drinking water out the bowl. All out KO to $1.75. Nice job.
Meta is fucking ripping.
Fucking ripping.
She's a moving and a grooving. Okay, I think we can see some rejection around VWAP here, around 550. Also, 544 is a level. That was where, like, this 540, 530 last night is where we were just chopping for about 4 hours. Right around here, 545 to 550.
That's some big moves for the morning, ladies and gents. I know.
Oh, and look at that.
Just the rest of the day too hard. You got a lot of big levels taken out this morning.
Look at that right there.
Yeah, SPX just hit the 618. Gosh, you've had so many trades running those fibs. Dang. That was my upside target.
By the way, there goes our put spread, looking perfect. We had a great ad there as well. We're already up 140 points from the low. Oracle, let me take a look. I mean, look at Rocket Lab and ASTS. This is just wild. What were you saying, Jordy?
The puts we sold there at 8 cents already.
Yeah.
That counts.
I mean, we're pretty good right now. I'm gonna hold them for now. There's still a lot more premium to burn. If we were like up 70% within minutes there, I would sell it or close it, I should say. Well, you're up about 60%.
Yeah, because I'm at 18 cents.
Yeah. Yeah, I got 13 average. Well, yeah, 13 average, yes. Meta, we just hit that 654 target I talked about. Next one up would be 658 if we push higher. I said at minimum 650, 654. And there he is.
MNQ long, I bought 10-minute red.
I like.
You walk right back into the 10-minute EMA.
Damn, my boy's long. Long.
He said, Mama.
Maple stacks right now.
Mama.
Or pie over.
You ever get stopped out of a trade, then like a few minutes later, you're like, get back in.
Yeah. As long as nothing validated my thesis, it's just validating that specific position. Yeah.
So this is
Because the invalidation of a position is different from the validation.
yeah. So I mean, this is probably a discussion for another day outside of trading, but just talking about things that traders struggle with, and it's something that I guess I struggle with. You call it a struggle, but it's what I do. It's where if I have like 6 or 7 open positions, and to keep myself net green on the week, if I'm in trades right now that are going for me in one direction, and then some are starting to go against me very quickly in another direction, the technical analysis on the ones that are red is still valid to stay in, but if I close those losers, it keeps the account net green. Down 25, 30%.
Do I close the spreads on this kind of reversal or just let them expire? So if I'm up 70% within minutes here, I close them. And I'm almost getting there. So soon, yes.
I was eyeing the 200s on Oracle. There they go. They haven't moved much.
10-minute 9 tap here on NQ. I feel like maybe we see 10-minute 20, 5, possibly no breaker, but I've already taken half off. I'm trailing as well.
Casey,
Yeah.
reason why I hammered long is that 2-minute candle at the bottom there.
Oh, the Qs?
Yeah, 2 and 3 minute. I hammered long and I hammered put spreads.
Reversal. And 3-minute also printed a little oh shit reversal.
Oh shit.
Alright. This is a trim spot outside. The long
Yeah, this is where I was talking about. I would definitely watch this here.
If we can accept and break back over this, we're probably back up.
Right at VWAP,
Four.
and it's like 40, well, actually really like 30 to like 60 areas, a big spot. IWM making a lower high.
My broker stopped working, so I have to restart it.
Horse fucking.
Intel, one of the better looking chip names over VWAP.
For sure, thank you.
NVIDIA are below it. Qualcomm's right against it. Qualcomm's been extra strong the past week or so.
Stop.
Gonna add a little into my IMTC swing.
What you got there?
42 calls for January.
Okay.
Some decent flow on February's as well. Alright.
Yeah, over the 618 weekly, not bearish.
Yeah, the day you got saved, what a wick.
Here we go. We're breaking the 61.8 from intraday. 569. I got an order set for 50 points right under the 10-minute 20. Get it.
Meta is at previous day high.
Mm-hmm.
50-point gain, MNQ sold a quarter. GG.
There you go. There you go.
Possible bill breaker 600. And I do see the 10-minute 200 is at 624. Another target. Liquidity sweep there.
I'm screwing up.
Billy, here we go, baby. Yes. Bill broken right there. 65 points. Make sure you guys scale and trail for the listener.
What? Some moves today. After seeing everything we're seeing,
Yep.
session and then overnight, I have a hard time expecting that back half of the day is super crazy, but we'll see.
Hey, we got the move down and up. You can make money both ways.
Time to close the computer.
Four-point gain gold. Hold half.
Okay, I am trying to short here at 610.
I'm gonna take 25% of those Oracle 200s.
Get that 10-minute 200 at 25.
Lily has gone back green. He's now 2.7 up.
Oh, is it now?
And Humana.
Oh, shit.
5% up. Yeah, these healthcare rotations are big.
I was watching Lily earlier. Damn. I did not look back, though. Shit.
SPX just hit the 786 previous week bid.
If we break above 630, I will be out my little short. Had to give it a go, though. I had some levels here around 615 to 619. 630 is my stop. 631, I should say, but.
What a ripper.
Damn right. That 2 and 3 minute reversal at the bottom there was literally just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Yeah. Okay, maybe my short does work out. Let's see. I just need to dip.
I think we could get some chilling at that. We've been playing these fibs on the weekly. I think we could chill on it. Maybe go back down to 68.60.
I just need to dip into 580 to like 585. That's where I want to cover some. But if we push higher here, it is what it is, you know? It is what it is.
I really did not think they were going to bring it back to London High, but we're not that far off now. 700. AGO, Costco, Lulu.
New High Days SPX. Yeah. We're not bearish.
No. We are pushing.
Oosh.
That's a dollar reject on the VIX. It's 10. Still same meta though. Previous day high it is turning around at. Maybe a 4 high retest.
Still not getting above that 630. That's where I'm watching. Let's see if we get a dip into 580, 590. If not, again, I just get stopped out. I'm very small size. I'm still be very green for the day after this trade. Here we go.
That's for Thursday. Wrap up the week tomorrow. I don't believe we'll be on stream tomorrow, by the way, for everybody. So just keep that in mind for the Friday.
Sorry, I didn't get to the questions quicker. Yes, I do look for more spreads. I am going to probably close these here for a profit.
Oh, Brandon. You're on the way for update.
I covered all my short there for 25 points. That's all I wanted. All I wanted.
Noise. A Tesla retest that's previously low right here. Good one intraday bull flag. When did Unity get to $50? Wow. Yeah, that seems.
Like probably been like a month for AMZN.
Yeah. Making new 52-week highs in the last month.
Yeah, the past 3 days.
47% middle of November.
Insane. Honestly, keep this market in this range all day on the higher end, so I can just these spreads expire.
I'm actually Jordan, by the way. I'm gonna close mine and
I know we have reason to trade lower if we need to.
yeah, I'm gonna close them and open a new one at some point in the day. A little double dip.
Let me know.
Get my little double dip going.
Look the Lily Daily. That thing looks ridiculous. Like just really insanely geometric downtrend, and now we look like we broke it.
Let's take CVS calls.
Alright, I'm gonna hop out of here, get some food in me.
Sound good,
I'll probably catch you guys next week, so if I don't see you tomorrow, everybody have a great weekend.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so.
Six-point gain gold till the quarter.
Yes, I'm holding.
Watch bill breaker. Red candle buy for the longs here again. Concern though 10 and 20 for shorts.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to pick it back up.
Holding the 2 and 3 minute. Oh yeah.
Some flow coming in on LLY 1030 calls at the ask for March 20, 2026. Bottom around $7,900 per contract. 2 orders of 1.2 million and 1.4 million back to back.
No. Casey. Casey. I know you fucking hear me.
Nicholas.
Why?
What do you want to take?
I didn't swing it yesterday like I told you. I wish I did.
No, let's take it right now.
Right now.
I suck. we're switching over
Friends, anyone?
to
Not-
trading ASMR.
Not for some earlier, and we just got out of it.
Dude, LLY premiums are stupid expensive.
And the spread is kind of shitty.
They are.
Gonna move.
Trailing stop hidden profit MNQ.
When I trade LLY, like it's like a lotto every time. You're lucky to find a contract where the spread isn't more than $100 between bid and ask. You're freaking lucky if you find that. The only one I'm looking at right now is
CBC flip on 10. I wish it was very painful.
you can still shit. The 1050s and 1060s, 1219. Oh, never mind. The ask was just like the ask was just 1,000 now. It just went up to 1,100.
Short MNQ 3-minute CBC.
Nice.
I'll place that over. Let me see if it fills. I'm curious. All right, I filled it. I just took a lotto LLY 1050 calls for 1219 at 995.
Which ticker are you talking about? Little season. For longs?
Previous day low, good target for your shorts to cover some 28.75. Underneath that, maybe we see London or below again, 477. Gold, baby, new high. 12-point gain gold. Gold after run. Gold after peak.
$80 per contract gain, LLY. CVS went up to $80. So I think the 80s for January. Those are looking a little bit better, but going for a little bit bigger picture on this one. So look at the Feds. But you got a nice daily squeeze that is established. So I'm going to look to see a little bit of rotation into the healthcare for flu season. So Alright, I'm gonna try to get a fill here on LLY at $1,100, and it filled me at $1,105 from $995. $110 per contract gain. Bing bong.
Let's go, KC.
I told Knox to take it with me. You don't want to do it.
Slowed down a lot after those big moves this morning, but gotta expect that.
Stop at 975 for the other.
$30-point gain in mini cubes over half. Gold at this rate, you could see 4,300. That's 15 points higher.
$1,150 on LLY from $995.
Oh, you got in?
What the motherfucker? I called it out live.
Oh shit! Really?
He's been talking about it. What?
Yeah, I swear to God.
We were talking about it. I said, let's take it right now. And then I pulled up the option chain. I said, oh, do 1050 to 1060. I put an order in for the 1050s at $995, and it filled me, and I just trimmed.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. No, it's not even that. I was typing like a vigilante. Like yeah, I guess. I remember we started talking about it, Lily, but I don't remember. I don't remember you saying you entered. That's actually funny. That's really funny. Oh man.
It's not like I didn't just call this out live in front of like 1,000 people, and then Knox is like, "Oh, what trade you talk about?" One that you said you were gonna.
Oh, that's great. That's actually funny. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
Dude, the bid right now is 1050. The ask is 1200.
Send it to 15.
Dude, I did that on the copy trade account.
Yeah.
I was surprised the order went through.
For NQ, if the shorts are gonna play out, I need to see a close on 10-minute under VWAP and a close below the previous candle low 547. 3 minutes left.
Ooh, CVS, the Ripper candle over $80 gonna make ya. Should grab the 80s. Full of.
Previous day low tap again for shorts if you haven't scaled already. Coming into 50 fib here, 510. Beneath that, I got 51.8 fib at 482. Completes the bill breaker range down there. Possibly another 100 pointer.
Back to midnight open here.
Bill breaker right here, 500. We're breaking the 50 fib. I'm about to scale. Under the bill, 500. $60-point gain. MNQ covered a quarter. GG.
If CVS can continue the previous day high above 80.50 and enter into the
Hey guys, I'm actually gonna be closing this in the next few minutes here. I have to go do something. But spreads, absolutely amazing today. The Meta calls, I mean, Meta was the strongest name all day, other than now. We had $10 run up, amazing. I will be back later in the day. I will actually go live again later in the day. We're gonna do a learning session too. But I'll be right back. Just give me a moment.
Upside golden zone here. Buyers have to defend London or below 477. If not, I think we see new low a day with that lower high set off the 10-minute 20s. Gold ripping. Yes, baby. Give me 4,300. That's 20 points on gold. $2,000 if you held 10 micros or 1 mini.
The 6860 618 target is hit from the 76.
Let's go, BK.
I'm gonna have to post this in the Spaces thread because it is insanely robotic how we are respecting these weekly tip levels.
Got lower high rejection, Qs and IWM, SPY, made that even high act.
10 points away from another hundo today. That'll be
Guess who's gonna open another put spread? This guy. This guy.
What
Oh, I'm gonna be opening another put spread.
Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Spread 'em toots.
Hungry.
Yeah, me. Okay, I will be back. I have to go do some things. I'll be back like 12:30ish. Nah, like maybe 12:31.
Where are you going?
I gotta go do things. I gotta go do things. Well, every day at 12 while I hop off, it's because I'm going on to a call with the firm that I'm partnering with. And then right now, I'm gonna go get me a snack.
We'll get you a snack.
Yeah. Okay. I love you guys. I'll see you in a little bit. Jordan.
Yeah.
Check your phone and I'll text you when I enter a put spread. Okay. That means actually fucking check it.
Okay.
Okay. All right, guys. I'll catch you in a little bit. I will be live again. Don't worry.